Hi, I will introduce myself. My name is Alberto Mendoza. I'm 28 years old. I'm industrial engineer student. Uh, this is the English course A2, 41 group. I'm nurseman. I work in ambulance. In my experience, on my last vacation, I meet the National Park Tayrona National Park. Uh, First, I travel to Santa Marta City, and later I take a bus to National Park Tayrona. Stay here. I was pay cash the trains, and and later I work for all the park, and this is a beautiful experience. Uh, a place and you can meet and you can see so much animal and you can do it so much activity, uh, make camping, later you can visit the beach, and it's got it so much beach and it's so much beautiful, a beautiful place. You can see a big tree, bears, uh, monkeys, uh, and the fish you can see in the water. Uh, you can eat the delicious meals. Uh, you can do it, and the more important is you can meet so much people all over the world. Is a good experience, and and I don't have it or to can say you that experience. But it's the awesome. Uh, it's awesome this place. It's so beautiful. The rainforest is so much animal. You can feel the nature. You rest anymore. You feel very good. It's awesome. It's awesome. I can tell you how do you feel later. You can visit this place. Uh, in the better is like we guarded this place here in our country. This is you can see visit the here in the Caribbean coast Colombia. Uh, we are so much fortunately we forgot this place. For me, it's the best place in the world. I propose to my family we visit this place on next vacation because I like so much. Uh, that's all. Uh, that's all, guys. See you later. Bye.